Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you the best drop shipping suppliers. Which one should you choose? So let's get started. So now, AliExpress here claims that they have a 5-day shipping time on some products, but don't be surprised if it actually takes 2 weeks or longer. While it's useful when you're just starting out and testing the waters with small purchases like $5 or $7, it's risky for a full-scale drop shipping business. So what do we recommend? Well, the alternative would be to pair tools like Ecom Hunt right here and Big Spy with a reliable fulfillment service like fulfillment.com. These tools help you find top performing products and research trends, while fulfillment.com offers private line shipping, ensuring your orders arrive exactly when promised. No more dealing with complaints or lost packages. Plus, they support custom branding, whether it's flyers, custom packaging, or branded products, so your business stands out. So, in short, save yourself from the common mistake we've all made on AliExpress. Test small if you're new, but when you're ready to scale, switch to trustworthy suppliers and tools. So, yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.